Sensibility and practicality define the 2004 Toyota Sienna. This 7-passenger van just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, front and rear air conditioning, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.